Hello everyone! Today I have this beautiful veal tenderloin here and I'm gonna show you how you can cook it and how you can use it in recipe with barley and Jerusalem artichokes. So let's do it! I have here these barley grits, so the first thing I have to do is to rinse it a little bit and then I'm gonna leave it inside the water for around 30 minutes on the side. So the barley is inside the water and now I can prepare the vegetables which I'm gonna use for the seasoning. I want to use carrots, onions and celery. So I clean everything and then I will chop nice dices. Always try to make the same sizes so everything is cooking evenly and they look nice on the plate. You can always adjust the sizes of the dices you're making for different platings or different dishes. So the carrots and celery are done. So now I can chop the onions and let's start to cook it. The barley was inside the water for around 30 minutes. So I'm gonna change the water now, season it with good amount of salt and I'm gonna cook it around 25 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm gonna cook my vegetables in the second pot in boiling water for around 5 minutes. Then I strain it and I leave it on the side for later. The next thing I want to start with is my Jerusalem artichoke puree. So I peel my artichokes, chop them roughly, and I'm gonna cook them in the mixture of water and milk half by half until they're gonna be very soft. At this time is my barley cooked enough, so I strain it and let's finish it. I start with a little bit of olive oil on the pan and on medium heat I'm gonna sweat my vegetables for a few minutes. Then I'm gonna season it with paprika powder and garlic powder. Cook it just for 1 minute. Make sure you don't burn it. And the last thing I put in is barley. Mix everything together. Season it with salt and pepper and the barley is ready for plating. At this time are also artichokes ready, so I strain them and move them inside the blender. I'm gonna add a little bit of double cream, season it with salt, and I blitz it for around 5 minutes on maximum speed. And beautiful, super smooth Jerusalem artichoke puree is ready. I just move it inside a plastic bottle and try if the thickness is alright, and it will be ready for the plating. So my puree is ready and now I can start with my Jerusalem artichoke crisps. So for the crisps, I leave the artichokes with the skin. I just slice them very thin on the mandolin and I deep fry them in hot oil. That's gonna take around 1 minute and then I just take them out on a paper towel, season them with the salt and they are ready for the plating as well. And now let's finally start with the meat. I have here this beautiful veal tenderloin, so I just clean it a little bit and I'm gonna use just the middle part. The rest I'm gonna keep for my dinner later on. And of course, one piece have to be for my food inspector because he just loves these things. So I season the meat generously with salt and pepper and let's sear it. I start with vegetable oil in the pan and on very high heat I'm gonna make nice crust around. When the crust is developed, I can add my butter and I'm gonna braise it a little bit. At the end, I transfer it on the baking tray and I'm gonna finish it inside the oven. I will do 180 degrees Celsius until my meat will be medium. I would recommend you to cook the meat rare or medium rare, but my girlfriend doesn't like bloody meat, so I'm gonna do more close to medium. And the last thing you want to do is to leave the meat on the chopping board to rest for around 5 minutes. And if you like smoking, as I do, you can use smoking gun and give some bonus flavor. And this beautiful meat is ready. So let's slice it and finish the plating. And guys, if you enjoyed today's recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what would you like to see more on my channel so I can make it for you. I start my plating with few spoons of barley on the bottom of the bowl. Then I can put my veal tenderloin on the top. Few dots of Jerusalem artichoke puree, Jerusalem artichoke crisps, and I finish it with sunflower cress. And by the way guys, if you like to take your cooking skills a bit more seriously and move your home cooking to the next level, check out the link in the description down below and apply for my one-on-one coaching. And if you will be good fit, I'm gonna personally teach you everything you will ever need to impress your friends and family at home. And if you want to see another veal recipe, check out this video and learn how you can make veal loin with Barley and pea puree. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.